Welcome to MarineMax Crosslake, where we have a brand new 2026 Barletta Aria 20L for sale. This is called the L because it has an L-shaped couch here in the rear. It has two adjustable backrests. One faces the front and one faces the back. This turns into a very comfortable rear-facing sun pad. We have the power bimini so that you can catch some shade out on the lake, stainless steel cup holders, and JBL audio system. And we even have a couple of USB charging receptacles for your phone. This is a pet-friendly boat with the integrated pet dishes and the doggy dock view doors. And this boat even has the Lowrance Fish Finder Eagle 5 on it, so you don't have to be guessing about depth or navigation. It's all right there at your fingertips. Come and see this boat today at MarineMax in Crosslake, or visit us right on the shores of the beautiful Whitefish Chain. We would love to take your family for a demo ride and find your dream pontoon for summer.